much life in every corner of this Central American country. Trees, animals, beaches, volcanoes. Costa Rica has everything for everyone, practically everywhere. You're watching How to World Trip, and today I'm going to show you just a small slice of everything there is to see in this beautiful destination. Our Costa Rican adventure started out in Cabos. With easy access to a popular beach and a few steps away from Manuel Antonio National Park, Cabos as our starting point was a no-brainer. Within the first day of our visit, we booked a few tours through our hotel to see some of the biodiverse wildlife that Costa Rica is known for. If you don't already know, visiting Costa Rica without doing a guided wildlife tour is like visiting Disneyland without leaving the parking lot. So make sure you find a good guide as soon as possible when you arrive.
Where are we going? Where did you say this was? Butterfly and Frog Park? Hi, hummingbird.
This was one of my first times walking through a rainforest, and even though I was most looking forward to seeing exotic animals, it's truly a really cool experience seeing such a variety of plants and trees everywhere.
Guardians of the water.
While the plants are cool to see, Costa Rica definitely has no shortage of beautiful tropical animals you've never seen before. In fact, you don't even have to book a tour to see some amazing animals. A few steps outside of our hotel room, we were graciously greeted by sloths, lizards, and monkeys. Now you can see that I kid you not when I say that there are exotic animals everywhere. So if you do get a chance to visit, explore the outdoors as much as you can to see as many as possible. When you want to take a break from trekking through the humid rainforest of Manuel Antonio, there's a refreshing beach right at the exit that is the perfect place to cool off. Another place you should try to check out is Maleku Village. The citizens of Costa Rica also have a rich and interesting history that should not be overlooked on your visit.
Copy.
We decided to splurge on some local artwork from the village, so bring some cash with you if any of this looks enticing. As we said goodbye to Manuel Antonio, we headed off to our next destination of La Fortuna. As soon as we arrived, we decided to make time to book an ATV tour. This might be one of the best ways to experience the jungles of Costa Rica. Whether it's cloudy or clear, once you get to the top of the mountain, the view is amazing. other major attraction you can check out in the area is the La Fortuna waterfall. And because one of us got injured in this area, I do strongly suggest that you bring some water shoes if you decide to check it out. Our second to last stop was the Arenal volcano. It was quite the hike, and on top of that, we were unfortunately surrounded by dense clouds and wind that made for a pretty bad view. But when we got to the top, all of a sudden, the clouds and the wind cleared, and we got the view we were looking for. Our Costa Rican grand finale is something I highly recommend everyone visiting to check out. The Selva Verde Lodge is the hotel you never know you needed. It's the perfect place to spend a day or two to unwind before you head home, and it will leave you with a Costa Rican impression that you won't forget. That about wraps it up for this video. Next time, we will be exploring Peru. I'm excited to show you guys that, and if you want to support us making more of these videos, consider checking out our Patreon. Be sure to subscribe if you made it this far in the video, and thanks again for watching How to World Trip. Another pro tip when visiting Costa Rica, don't let the howler monkeys scare you as much as they did to me in this clip.